How to edit PDF file in laptop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Word. Then click on Open located at the left side. Then click on Browse and then select the PDF file you want to edit. It will open in this way. Press on OK and you will find this kind of screen pop up. At the top, click on Enable Editing. After you have enabled editing, simply edit as you want. Edit what you want to change, then press on File at the top left corner of your screen to save the file. After you have pressed on File, click on Save As, which is at the left side. Then select where you want to save it to, then at the bottom of your file, you'll find Format, click on PDF, and then Save. After that, your file will be saved into PDF form again. This is how to edit PDF file in laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.